पिन में कौन सा पार्ट बाकी रह गया? यस, पिन में हमारा पार्ट रह गया बेंडिंग क्राइटेरिया बाकी रह. सो नेक्स्ट यू गो फॉर बेंडिंग. सो डी पार्ट बेंडिंग. So for bending what we have, sigma b is equal to P by 2, then it will be T1 by 3 plus T by 4 divided by pi by 32 D1 cube. Now if you see on the right hand side, all the things are known to me. We have the value of P, we have T1, we have T, we have D1. Just substitute and give me the answer. What is sigma B? Just substitute and give me the answer for sigma B, because as all the values are given, we will check for safety here. Just find out what is the answer or what is sigma B induced. Okay, so let me be specific. I will write down here sigma B induced. That means actually what is the stress acting on the pin?
67.906.
67.9. Okay, it's correct. I am getting the same answer. 67.906 Newton per mm square. This is what value? This is the actual value which the pin is experiencing. So this is sigma B induced. Now we have to check this with the material. अब देखो मटेरियल तो हमको दिया नहीं था, तो हम पीएचडी में से नहीं दे सकते. तो हमारे को एक चीज दिया था, दैट सिग्मा टी का वैल्यू कितना दिया हमको क्वेश्चन में? What was the sigma
56 megapascal.
56. Okay.
56.
Sigma T is given to us as 56. So there is one empirical relation that sigma B is 1.1 to 2 times sigma T. अब यहाँ पर भी देखो हमारे ऊपर है. It can be anywhere from 1.1 to 2. आपको 1.1 लेना है आप 1.1 लो, आपको 1.5 लेना है आप 1.5 लो, आपको 2 लेना है आप 2 लो. So it is again up to you. It is an empirical relation. So again for all of you getting the same answers, let us fix that. I will take sigma B as 1.5 times sigma T. तो अब क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? Sigma B will be 1.5 times 56. So I will write sigma B is equal to how much I will get? 84 MPa. So this is what sigma B a material can sustain. तो मटेरियल कैन सस्टेन अप टू 84 और हमारा आंसर आया 67. सो इज इट सेफ और नॉट सेफ?
सर सेफ है ना सर.
यस,
मैक्स टू मैक्स इतना कर सकते हैं और 67 में आ रहा है हमारा, तो उससे कम ही है ना.
देखो अब सेफ कैसे हो रहा है. ये सिग्मा बी क्या है? अगेन आई विल रिपीट. ये सिग्मा बी जो है वो क्या है? ये मटेरियल का कैपेबिलिटी है. मटेरियल कैन सस्टेन अप टू 84, मटेरियल कैन गो अप टू 84. बट हमने क्या फाइंड आउट किया कि हमारे कैलकुलेशन के हिसाब से उस पर स्ट्रेस आ रहा है सिर्फ इतना 67 और मटेरियल ले सकता है 84. सो आई कैन राइट हियर एज sigma B induced is less than sigma B. Design is safe. This is the most important thing. Design is safe. Why? Because the bending stress induced or the actual experience of the bending stress is less than what a material can go up to highest limit. Hence I will write design is safe. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So this we have completed second part. Now let us quickly go to the third part. Third part हमारा क्या था? Third part was single eye. Single eye में हमने सबसे पहला क्या देखे थे? Tensile failure. Okay. So tensile failure I will write again formula. Sigma T is equal to P divided by D2 minus D1 into T. This is the formula which we have already seen how it comes. So here again sigma T was given to us as 56, P is given to us as 25 into 10 raised to 3 divided by D2 is unknown. What is D1? How much we finalize D1?
25.
D1 we finalize at 25 and what we finalize as T? I think 20.
T.
Yes, 20 we had finalized the T. Now in this entire expression the unknown is D2. So D2 I will get the answer as how much?
47.32.
47.32. Okay, 47.32. So as it is diameter, let me go on the higher side. So I will approximate, let us say it as 60 mm. So D2 is equal to 60. Now in single eye only, the second part was shearing effect. So what we need to do, sigma s is equal to, again same formula it will come. We have already seen it, d2 minus d1 into t. Now in this entire thing on the right hand side, p is known to me, d1, d2 is also known, d1 is also known, t is also known. So what I will do here,
Find sigma s.
find sigma s. Yes, to be specific, I will find out sigma s induced. So sigma s induced is equal to how much? Give me the answer after calculation.
35.71.
35.7. Okay, let me write here 35.71 Newton per mm square. Now this is sigma s induced, and what was given to us sigma s in the question?
40.
40 Newton per mm square. So can I say my design is safe?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why I can say? Because I will write my statement as sigma s induced is less than sigma s, design is safe. Okay. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So after that, the next component is what?
Double I.
Yes. The fourth component is the double I. So again, I have given you shortcut. So first I will take tensile. In that I will let sigma t is equal to p divided by what? d2 into d2 minus t1 into t1. The only thing change will be this 2 and t1. Now for double I, again everything on the right hand side is known to me. Just substitute and give me the answer for sigma t induced in double I.
Sir, 17.85.
17.85. 17.85. So this is sigma tensile induced. Okay. And what was actual sigma t given to us? I think 56. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what I can write now, what will be my statement?
So sigma be 35.71 hour.
वही मेरे को थोड़ा सा अलग लग रहा है. 35.
Sir, 35.71.
35.72 times
Yes, yes. 35.71 is correct. Which I also have the same answer. 35.7. ठीक है. So as sigma t induced is less than sigma t, because 35.71 is less than 56. What I can write? Design is safe. Now पहला क्राइटेरिया था टेंसाइल. सेकंड क्राइटेरिया क्या है? शियर. तो शियर में भी सेम फॉर्मूला है, सिग्मा एस इज इक्वल टू पी डिवाइडेड बाई 2 d2 minus d1 into t1. So again everything is known to me on the right hand side. So you give me the answer for sigma s induced.
35.71.
This coming same. देखो पहली बात तो कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. अगर थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओगे तो यहाँ का राइट हैंड साइड जब हमने सिंगल टेंसाइल कंसीडर किया, उसका राइट हैंड साइड और इसका राइट हैंड साइड एग्जैक्टली सेम है, तो आंसर भी सेम ही आना है. आपको वापस से कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो आई विल राइट डाउन 35.71 ओनली. बट व्हेन वी विल डू कंपैरिजन, अब कंपैरिजन किससे होगा? शियर से होगा. यहाँ पर हमने किससे किए थे? टेंसाइल से किए थे. सो नाउ हियर आई विल राइट सिग्मा एस इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच इट वाज गिवन? सिग्मा एस 40 दिया हुआ था. ओके, 40 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर. So now I will write sigma s induced is less than sigma s, hence design is safe. So you can see everywhere we got design as safe. So this completed our solution. Only last part remains. Last part remains the fifth part, that is the Euler. और Euler के लिए हमारा empirical relation है d3 is equal to 1.5 times d1. So I will write 1.5 times d1 की जगह पे क्या था? What we have finalized d1? d1 we have finalized 25, correct? So 1.5 into 25 will give me around 57.5. So I will just write this d3 is equal to 40 only. Okay, and this we have completed the entire design of knuckle joint worth 16 to 20 marks.